Writer's block can quietly drain productivity, especially when it's time to plan your next content calendar. Despite so much inspiration online, the pressure to produce quality work can sometimes feel overwhelming. But maybe the solution isn't just about finding new inspiration, it's about rethinking how we create. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly develop content ideas and impactful social media content within Mavic that can align with your marketing activities. Introducing the AI Planner, which is our version of social media management. So let's just go ahead and explore the features by creating a December content calendar for McDonald's, the workspace we are currently in. To navigate to December, you just click on the button here and you can go to different months. You can also click on this button here to toggle between the week view or the monthly view. So for this example, I will use the monthly view. Whenever I need to start creating a content calendar, I first need to look at all the public holidays available. Click on this button here, the filters, and you will be able to see this filter here called public holidays by country. Over here, you can put in United States or the specific country that you are in. I'm putting in Singapore as well. And you will see that the holidays will show up in green tabs here. So once that is done, I like to see what kind of social media holidays there are in a month. So click on the side button here and you can toggle to social holidays, which are all the social media holidays, aka marketing holidays, which are unofficial holidays that someone has invented but now has become part of pop culture. For example, Pi Day, Developer Day. So for December, it looks like we have Nobel Prize Day on 10th December. I like that, so I'm going to drag that into the calendar here. Maybe we can also look at, okay, we see Christmas and New Year's Eve, but these are also public holidays, so we don't need to put it in. And maybe I will also do National Crossword Puzzle Day. If you want to know more information about these specific social holidays, you can click on the I button here and you can see the explanation for this social media holiday. So I can drag it in here. So once that is done, we need to also consider all the different marketing activities that we have upcoming. So, for example, you may have a upcoming limited time promotion, or you may have a upcoming marketing campaign with a collaboration with an influencer. To add these activities onto the calendar, you can just click on the plus button here and click Add Notes. So I'm going to add some notes. For example, limited time breakfast burger selling for just $2. And if I have additional details about this specific marketing activity, I can click Add Additional Notes here. And I can also choose the color of the note. So maybe I will choose pick red. And I will add another marketing activity such as an offline marketing event happening in East Coast Park. McDonald's mascot will be there to promote a new Happy Meal. I'm just making this up. And again, I will choose red and the notes will appear here. So this is where the fun begins. Anything that you've added as notes or social media holidays or public holidays within the calendar, well, you can click on them and click on more and create ideas for them. So when you generate ideas, these are ideas that are within the context of your brand and also specific to the information that you saved within that tab. So for example, here we have some uh, ideas, content ideas for National Crossword Puzzle Day, like McDonald's Crossword Challenge, Soft and Snack Crossword Edition, unlock the puzzle, unlock the flavor. So I can probably save this idea. So whatever idea I like, I can save the idea here. Let's close it. And you will find the saved idea within the side panel under saved ideas here. So the idea that we just saved, soft and snack, it is now appearing here, which you can then drag back onto the content calendar. And now we have an idea for that specific day. Let's create another idea for Christmas. Again, I'm generating ideas here. And I have three content ideas. One for Facebook, Christmas feast at McDonald's. Oh, I like that. I'm going to save that. Second one for Instagram, Center Street Stop at McDonald's. I can save that here. And Holiday Joy for X. I can save it here as well. If you want to give feedback to the ideas, you can just use this text box here, and I can give feedback such as I want the ideas to include Ronald McDonald and be only for Instagram image. So with the feedback, Mavic will take your feedback and recreate and adapt the ideas, which you can now look at here. So Ronald's festive surprise, I like that. I'm going to save it here, and other ideas. Once you close the idea box, you will lose all the ideas here. So always remember to save the ideas before you close it. And now on my side panel, I see a lot more ideas which I can schedule onto my calendar. So here you can see that my content calendar is actually coming together because I not only identify all the specific days that I would like to create content for, I also have ideas which I can arrange on my content calendar to just make sure I am able to keep promoting my brand, which is McDonald's. But it doesn't stop there. So now that we have the ideas within the content calendar, we can start creating content directly from these ideas. To expand on the idea, click on it and you can see the full description of the idea. And if you want to create content from it, just click more and click create content. And this is where you go into our generate post workflow. And just to do a quick recap, there are three ways to generate content: from topic, from image to caption, or from website. You can enter the prompt on what the post is about. You can select the saved ideas here as well from select ideas, and you can select the image type. And from the image type, you can also select the image template. And right now we can do either carousel templates or AI image generation. For this specific post, I am going to use image to caption because I think the post's idea requires an image. So I'll go to image to caption workflow, click here, create my own image, go to AI image, put in the prompt, and generate an image. So I have the post here. I can fit it to page, save. Now I have the image with the prompt, and I can click generate post. Here the caption will be generated with the post preview. And if we want to give feedback, for example, I want this to be a shorter post, so I can give the feedback here. And I can go into edit post directly, and I can make all the final edits I want directly. If I need to add a copy here, and if I'm happy with it, I can save as draft. Or if I have social media channels, I can directly schedule and publish it. So that's how you create posts from ideas. But finally, to come back to our completed content calendar. So we were on December calendar. We have created the ideas. If you do have scheduled posts, for example, here, scheduled posts will show up as drafts, and you can still change the date if you would like. Move things around according to how when your plans change. And right now, Mavic is currently integrated with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Threads, X, and very soon TikTok. I hope you enjoyed the AI Planner tutorial and see you the next time.